Hello friends, this is a unboxing and review video of a solid state drive. It's a crucial 240 gigabyte SSD. Why this SSD is very important? Any SSD is very important if you have an old laptop or old desktop, maybe 2-3 years old or maybe more. So if you put this in your laptop or desktop, and if you put the operating system or the Windows 10 in it, and you will see a immensely and drastically change while booting up your system. It will give your system 10 to 15x faster. It will boot 10 to 15x faster than the traditional clunky hard drive, because they have moving parts, they're spinning hard drive, and it's a very low cost. It costed me near about 3,000 Indian rupees, near about I will give you how much cost in pound and Aussie dollar. Its read-write speeds are amazing. Its read speed is 540 and write 540 Mbps, and write speed is 500 Mbps. So it's a dynamic and brilliant product for its low price. I have a 3-year plus laptop. My laptop is 40 months old, so I decided to go with this because my laptop became hugely slow. Although my laptop has a good processor, i3 7th generation processor, i3 7130U, but it is lagging and slowing. So I think that this is the best thing that I can really do it for my laptop. So this is the box back, and this is the best part is that it has a 3-year warranty, so it's good. But there is a downside of this kind of cheap SSD. It do not have the DRAM, so it went through his job by a 3D NAND. But if you do apply this instead of a Samsung SSD, which is more costly than it, then you will not find any kind of notice. Plus, if you are gaming, it is very good for gaming. It will load the game very quickly. The texture is amazing. You can see it is written BX, beautifully written. And I will show you benchmarks after putting this on my trusty SL laptop. And one more thing that I forgot to mention in my video, that it do not have DRAM. The SSD that you have, the Crucial BX500, which have the DRAM. The benefit of DRAM is like a brain, extra RAM. That is bit too faster. But if you are doing web browsing and watching videos in Netflix, Amazon and YouTube, or booting up a computer or loading up some apps, you will not find that notice. When you get notice, when you are doing video editing, when you are doing immensely photo editing and playing games, the loading time of the game, in that time you will find the difference. But these are all SATA 3. That means these will perform near about same way. That means it has a read speed of 540 Mbps and write speed of 500 Mbps. So closely, but you can save money by this. Anyways, it has a endurance of 80 TBW. So what is TBW means? TBW is a measure of how long it lasts. It means 80 terabyte it can last. There's an Indian YouTuber, he made a video. He said that in last 1 year he has able to use 2 TBW. So he has left 78 TBW. He is a YouTuber. He edits video in 4K. He also games. So he according to him, this SSD will last 10 more years. So just imagine, I am not going to edit any heavy files, video editing. I just watch I just will watch some Amazon Prime videos or Netflix videos or YouTube videos or do like web surfing. Anyways, this was the information, and hope you have a wonderful evening. Jide, mate. So before upgrading this laptop to SSD, let me check and tell you that how long it takes to boot up. ये स्टार्ट होने में कितना देर टाइम लगता है. तो ये मैंने लगा दिया है, देख सकते हैं. Let's see how long it takes to start on. Currently I am filming in 1080p 60 fps. बहुत टाइम नहीं वाला. We can sing अंताक्षरी. हम लोग अंताक्षरी भी खेल सकते हैं जब तक ये स्टार्ट हो. It take a hell of a lot of time to start, and this is pain in the ass, pain in the butt. Already we are in a 38-second mark, so I don't know who have the time to really. This machine is 40 months old. I purchased in March 2018, and it has a 500 gigabyte 54 rpm hard drive, and it's very slow. It's painfully slow, and you can check it. This is fantastically slow. It will take ages to start. Oh, come on buddy, just on it. तो जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हैं ये बहुत ही स्लो है. इट इज इमेंसली स्लो. अभी इसका ये आया है, देखते हैं कितने टाइम में ये स्टार्ट होता है. और स्टार्ट भी होता है उसके बाद अगर आप यूज करोगे इट हैंग्स. आफ्टर स्टार्टिंग इफ यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग इट विल हैंग. सो जैसे कि आप देख पा रहे हो, इट्स स्टिल टेकिंग द आइकॉन्स. Still taking the icons. Let me start a YouTube video, then you can understand that how long. Already it's 1 minute and 56 seconds. It's painfully slow. Still you are waiting for a YouTube video. I don't know when it will launch. It's painfully slow. Two minutes 24 seconds. Now the YouTube coming up, but still it's loading. Still it's loading. I will click 1 second of a video. Still we are in ad section, I guess. Ad section. Still we are not. We are in 3 minute mark. Now we are in ad. Still it is not able to run the program. It is not able to run the RAN. Due to copyright issue, I will stop immediately. This is 3 minutes. This is 3 minute I guess 17-18 seconds. So you can understand how painfully slow this is. So let me put this BX500 240 GB SSD here, and I will catch you soon. So it's 2 weeks later. I have inserted the crucial SSD to my laptop, and I have used intensely. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ किया है 2 हफ्ते के बाद. तो अब देखते हैं इसका बूटिंग टाइम. So let's start the laptop and see what is the booting time after inserting the SSD. ये बुझ क्यों गया साले? अभी बुझना था. तेरी माँ का सकीना का. Let's see. It's 4 seconds. It's 10 seconds now. and in 13 seconds it has started. Let's see how quick the Chrome can start. It's 23 seconds and we have the Google Chrome. 23 seconds we have the Google Chrome. So you can see if you insert a SSD in your old laptop or new laptop, it will behave like new and it will start instantly in 15 seconds, and in 23 seconds you will have your Google Chrome browser. So it has a 80 TBW. TBW is terabyte, right? So it means that it can write up to 80 TBW, terabyte writes. So what is terabyte write is in YouTube and in net I have researched that if you are a heavy gamer and a video editor, you can eat 2 terabyte in a year. So that means you will take 10 years to complete the 80 terabyte of this SSD. So that means you can change your PC or laptop, but the SSD will last for many years. In 10 years in heavy use, maybe then, but there is a catch. You need to really keep 15 GB free of your SSD to keep this SSD healthy for many more years. So keep in mind, leave 15 GB free, then you will see a very long lasting SSD. So this is it. This is my full review over this BX500 SSD. So you have an old PC or laptop, put a SSD and it will become as new as past. And this is it. So as always, shukrana, masalama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friend. Adios amigos. See you again in notification in any other video. Please like, share and subscribe. Adios amigos.